My people, what happened here is that mothers came out to do peaceful protest against the crime that is going on in their community. This thing happened in Adamawa. Now, Nigerian soldiers came out, shoot them. 7 people were slaughtered immediately. 30 something were injured. They are still in the hospital with bullets. This is what happened in Adamawa. These people that are bringing out from the mortuary, and all of them are Christians. Christians mothers came out to do peaceful protests. They were slaughtered. All of them are Christians. They put them in mortuary. They are bringing them out to bury them. It's a very terrible situation. Watch the next video that I will post on my YouTube channel. I will be giving you people updates. This thing happened yesterday, being 8 December. They were doing the protest, they killed them. But today is 9 December 2025. They want to bury them.
International community. Safaru Angandragano.
Oh, I got
The one died yesterday in the evening.
Be strong.
Thank you, my fellow brethren.
Are you set? Are you set?
With a heavy heart, we stand this hour at this mortuary. We want to thank God for this opportunity given unto us to see our fellow women lying down, lifeless, because of what happened yesterday at Lamude local government. Our women were killed by uniformed personnel. Leave us with griefs in our hearts as a people. As a people, God has called by name and has gave us this land as our own. And today, we are laying to rest 9 women. And we need justice for these souls. As women, we call the government to fight for our rights. Because according to the Constitution of Nigeria, we have a right to life. We have a right to freedom. And no uniform personnel will deny deny us. We have a right to protest. We are calling for justice. Justice. Justice for our women that are lying, 9 of them. Some are taken care of at the hospitals. In General Hospital Numan, some were taken to Yola. We are pleading with the government of Nigeria to come to the aid of the Batia people, to come to the aid to the humans, to come to the aid for the women. And we're also calling up the human rights societies to come and help us, vindicate us. We need help. We need help. And we're crying. We are bleeding. Our land is bleeding with the blood of the innocents that are lying here. They hold no weapons, but they were killed. That means we don't have freedom. That means we don't have a voice. If we need justice. And let these people be prepared.
The plan that we made initially, they will arrange them here.
Let the whole world know what the Nigerian army did to us. This is the hard work of Nigerian army. So let the federal government, we're seeking for justice for this injustice that has been done to us. How can the Nigerian army shoot a woman, not even on the battlefield? You can imagine a peaceful demonstration. We just leave, and Nigerian army will come and do that spray, because it was a spray of bullets, because they have the monopoly of bullets or shooting, of the power of what? I don't know. Honestly, Nigerian army, honestly, we're not happy, and we will fight this settlement. We're seeking for justice. Even I'm so peeved now.
So Oromia Chingano. Then she bought home some bungum. Adna Lublis. Adinaki. Let me. Minusful. Ratimia Mambaramdo. Yadiramdo Kumakayito. Yadiramdo Kayito. Yadirado Kanyato. Condor a Condoma Bobos. Minaduma Golida. The trade is very better for me. I'm a Condoma say, Vladimir Mama Blomo, Samia Dam. You can't make them Kayito. You're not going to machine. What's the tono? In his own. Any other thing Kayito Kauboto. The Clemecata community Kito, Minamada Pakatu. Pakata Prado, Minamada. I'm a damn. I'm a damn video. Put a video. You have the Barbara Bodo, Nakia. I'm a good I'm
As you can see, we are live at the Norman General Hospital mortuary, where there are hundreds of people converged to the mortuary to convey the bodies of the deceased that were slain by the Nigerian army. We still continue to say that the Nigerian army was solely responsible for this illegality and unscrupulousness. This is the duty, this is something that the Nigerian army did, went overboard against the rule of engagement. Against the rule of engagement. Yes. You can see people. This is what the Nigerian army has done.
Bring your change out.
Mene kula ne da dai dai na da ba na da bili dindu sai me ka shi ka da
akwai waye da na da ba
akwai waye do na cika leda do yana gama
Ba gara an da sa wancan sai a bar wanda da sa ne.
a yi